We are here to share a short success story, how we retained a resource based on COVID-19 pandemic for TechPub MBCU team. He is Mr. Marcus Umundam, Manager for Technical Documentation Team, Mechanical Cutting, Zeltwig, and he is responsible for resource headcount for BDC. As we all are aware that due to COVID-19 pandemic, there was a global impact on reduction of headcount and working hours. In the similar way, on 26th May 2020, we had received an email from Marcus saying that we need to reduce one resource from TechPub due to slowdown in machine orders and aftermarket activities. After a long thought process, Dakshina, who is the manager of MECU team BDC, replied to the mail and requested to offer any tasks related to aftermarket support so that we can retain the resource, instead reducing the headcount. Marcus in turn agreed and offered a new project related to repair drawing creations, which was really a challenging task for TechPub team where the manufacturing knowledge was required. As a starting step, pilot samples were executed by Dakshina and Srinivas, who worked on 2 repair drawing creations, which includes the complete analysis and drawing creation for rebuilds. Next, the sample drawings were shared to Marcus and engineering team at Zeltwig, and finally we got the approval that it's perfect. Based on the clearance from Zeltwig, we from BDC, the complete TechPub and engineering team had a detailed plan of execution. Few weeks later, we delivered a first package with 25 repair drawings for MB series and received a positive feedback from Zeltwig team to continue further. Since we all know that slow and steady wins the race, we were a bit slower on this task at initial stage since it is our first experience and want to prove ourselves to get the perfect outcome, in turn to retain the resource with us. We could able to achieve this because of cross-function support among engineering and TechPub team. Credit goes to Srinivas, Shankar Narayan, Janvi, Puneet and Prajwal.